So you want to know the simplest way to scrape thousands of leads using Claude Code in 2026? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. And to do this, we're simply going to be connecting the Apify MCP directly to Claude Code, giving it the ability to scrape thousands of leads in seconds. And by the way, if you like watching Claude Code videos like this, hit that like button, drop a sub, and let's jump right into it. All right, so I'm going to go over this with you step by step. And in the next couple minutes, you're going to be able to scrape thousands of leads using a single prompt. Now, as you can see on my screen, the tool that we're going to be using is called Apify. If you're not aware of what Apify is, it pretty much provides us with a bunch of different types of scrapers. You can see on their front page that they have a TikTok scraper, Google Maps scraper, Instagram scraper. So essentially people build these scrapers, which have direct connection to these platforms like TikTok, for example. So you can scrape a bunch of different users or comments or videos, stuff like that. Now, in our case in particular, if we're doing stuff like cold email campaigns, then those are the specific scrapers that we would want to go for. For example, there's a bunch of LinkedIn scrapers baked in, or there's like Apollo scrapers that we can use to grab emails. Or if you want phone numbers for home service, then we can go for the Google Maps scraper. But the best part is Apify has a built-in MCP, meaning we don't even need to choose what scraper to use. We just need to connect the MCP to Claude, and Claude is going to guide us on what the best scraper for our use case is. Now, of course, to do this, you're going to have to come over to Apify, and I've pasted my affiliate link in the description below, which you can use to sign up. Once you're on the page, you're just going to press go to console. And the way Apify works is a lot of the scrapers have a cost associated with using them. So if I tap on this leads finder scraper, which is a big one that I use, you can see that it actually costs $1.5 per 1,000 leads, which is ridiculously cheap, by the way. But on top of that, a lot of the scrapers that you need will also require you to be on an Apify upgraded plan. And all you would need to really do is upgrade to the starter plan, which is pretty cheap. And you can do that by hitting settings in the bottom left corner. Now, in terms of connecting the MCP to Claude, you can see that it's actually built right into Claude. So if you're running through Claude Desktop, which is what I have open right here, all you need to do is come hit on your profile in the bottom left corner, which my face is covering right now, and you'll go to settings. You'll see this menu pop up, and we're just going to want to go to connectors under customize. We can press add, and then we can press browse connectors. Now, because Apify is a built-in platform, all we have to do is search Apify, and you'll see that it's right here that we can simply just install just like that. Now, it's going to ask us if we want to install Apify, and then we're going to have to actually connect our account. So you can see once you press install, it's going to ask you for your Apify API token. So I'm going to show you how to get that now. All right, so we're back in the Apify console, and to get your API key, you're just going to hit on settings in the bottom left corner. We'll come over to API and integrations, and you'll automatically see an API token section where we can create a new token. Here you can give the token a description to keep track of how many API tokens you have. You can also set an expiration date as well as limit the token permissions if you want. I usually just keep these toggled off. Now you should see your new API token, which you can simply copy right from the dashboard, and we can head back into Claude Desktop where we can paste our token in right there. And then of course, all we have to do is hit save. All right, and it is literally as simple as that to install the Apify MCP into your Claude workspace. So now the last thing to do every time I install a new connector is I just give Claude Desktop a restart to make sure that it's completely configured. All right, and then one other thing I should probably mention is we actually need to enable the connector, right? So to do that, we can hit that plus button right here, and we'll come down to connectors, and we'll press manage connectors. Just go ahead and find your Apify connector that we already installed, and you'll see a toggle at the top where we can just simply enable it. Now, once that's enabled, you're going to scroll down and you'll see a bunch of permissions. Now you can leave this as is. It's pretty much just means that Claude is going to ask you for permission to do all of these actions. And honestly, when you're first starting out, it is best to always keep approval on, making sure that it's asking for approval. But once you use it enough times and you know that it's trustworthy with the money that it's spending, then you can always just bypass. So we have to keep in mind that it is spending your real money. So it's always good to just double check first. Now, once that's done, we're good to go. All right, so there's pretty much two ways you can actually go about this. The first way is, pretty much just telling it right now, I need these leads, and go have Claude scrape them, right? It's not necessarily the best method to go about it, but it is the quickest. The best practices to go about something like this is to actually build a system around it, meaning that you're actually giving Claude information about what your offer is, what type of leads you're looking for, how many leads you want, what your business is, that sort of thing. And that'll just pretty much give Claude a better idea of what you're actually trying to do to make sure that you're getting the highest quality leads possible for your use case. So for example, like I said, Apify has so many scrapers built in, but through my testing, I found that this one is one of the best ones based on price and quality. So if I wanted to use this scraper specifically, all I would have to do is copy the path to it right here. And now we're actually ready to get Claude Code to scrape this. So what I'm going to say is call the Apify MCP and use the code crafter / leads finder actor to scrape 100 dentists in Texas. Now, of course, like I said, you can scrape thousands of leads. I just don't want to waste a bunch of my leads on a demo, so I'm going to keep it to 100. Then I'm going to say fetch the actor's input schema first and use the exact enum values when you build the filter. And then of course, we want to be able to export the leads. So I'm going to say save all of them to a CSV in this directory. Now we send it off and let Claude cook. All right, and only after like a minute, Claude has already done the scrape. It's got 100 Texas dentist leads with emails, phones, LinkedIn, and company details. And like I said, Claude actually wrote the CSV file to this directory. So if I open it in File Explorer, I will see my CSV, but it also provided it right here in chat where if I click it, I can simply view all the leads that it found just like that. There you have it. In only just a couple minutes of setup, you now have the best method for scraping leads in 2026 using Claude Code and Apify. Now, like I said, there is an optimal method to going about doing your lead scraping, and it revolves around building an actual system around it. And that may look like a GitHub repository that you always run the system out of, or you always run Claude from that directory where it has built-in skills, built-in preferred scrapers, that sort of thing. If that is something you're interested in, I have a school community where I teach you not only how to master AI fundamentals, which is crucial when you're actually selling AI and automation systems to clients, where I walk you through exactly what LLMs are, how data flows and moves, APIs, webhooks, RAG, vector databases, all that stuff. But I also teach you exactly how to master Claude Code. And within this course, I show you exactly how to build your own personal AI coding assistant. And of course, on top of that, I show you how to create your first automation, your first AI agent, and your first app. And then down the line, we even get into building your own portfolio that you can use to present to leads. So I just thought I would bring that up for those of you who are interested. And if you are, the link is in the description below, which by the way, it is free to join. Nonetheless, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button and drop a sub, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.